Alright, so you're driving along and your maintenance required light comes on. What's that all about and how do you get rid of it? So it should just be a reminder light. You want to check your owner's manual to make sure. And I believe it comes on every 5,000 miles to try to remind you to change your oil, which I like to change mine every 3,000. So in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of that light. So first thing I'm going to do is turn off my car. And then, boy, how can I do this with one hand? So what you do is I don't know how I'm going to do this. You hold this button in and you turn the ignition key on. And then a bunch of lines will start, 5 lines or so will show here, and then they'll start counting down. And when they get to 0, they will turn off the light. I don't know if I don't know how I'm going to do this. Hold on. Okay, I'm still not sure how I'm going to do this. But one thing I did find out, so I'm going to turn on the key. Oh, I'm not quick enough. And then, so you got to make sure this is on an odometer, and you can do that like if you push, it'll switch to, trip mile A or whatever that says, and B. So for this to work, you have to be on your odometer, your total mileage there. Let me see if I can do this. Sorry about that. So it's just counting down. Hopefully that showed up. So a bunch of lines came across there. I couldn't see what I was doing. And then now you can see that the maintenance required light is off. And you're good to go. It comes on initially just to show you that the lights are all working. And as you can see, it's off now. I bumped my windshield wiper. So that's how you do that, and you'll be good to go for about another 5,000 miles, and it'll come on, and then now you can use this video to figure out how to clear it. Sorry for the shaky camera work, and I hope this helped you out.